Alright guys, in today's video, we're going to be installing a new steering wheel. Look at this thing. My buddies from High Flying sent this over to me to install, test fit, and kind of make like a little breakdown video of it. The quality so far is really nice. Really impressed, so I'm excited to replace the old one with this guy. So we're going to go ahead and take care of it, kind of show the process, and yeah, we'll jump into it now. So the first thing we want to do is definitely unplug the battery. I don't want that thing making contact, even if the negative is off. I don't know, I'm paranoid. There's a cap over here that you're going to want to flip off. You're going to need a T30. So we're going to go ahead and take off the other side. Not sure if you guys can see this, but it's kind of a little... Oh, shoot. See? There we go. Nice. So we gotta get this guy out. I don't know if you guys, I think you guys can see there's like a green cable here. I'm gonna shimmy that out. Okay. Oh, there we go. There's like a gray one. Okay. I think that looks like, honestly, that looks like everything. 19 millimeter. That looks. Don't take it off all the way. Don't take it off. Oh, my memory card broke, but all I did was hit it and it popped out. So now that we got it popped out, we're gonna take off this nut. Cool. Oh, that was it. So we got the steering wheel off. All right, so now we're gonna swap everything over. So this is the difference. Beautiful. But yeah, we have to take all the controls and put them over here. I got a TT40, TD40. I'm immature. We're gonna use that to take off these two guys here. The springs came off perfect. That's what I needed. So now we gotta get these guys off, which, oh, look at that. 4 more. Okay. That is it. Steering wheel is bye-bye. Maybe I should sell it. Maybe I should like do something with it, who knows. You know, take these guys. Hey, yo, what? Oh, they're upside down. Ah! I did that on purpose. Made me a little nervous there. That looks good so far. Cool. So this looks like it was behind this. All right, that looks really good. Look at that. Just a few more things to do. We're gonna get this plastic piece on. There we go. Okay, that looks good. Now, make sure the springs are on. So we're gonna slide these guys back in here. Okay. Take this guy. That seems locked in place. Seems pretty secure. Oh my god, what am I doing, bro? I didn't even put the... I didn't even put this... Imagine this thing just comes off on me like while I'm driving. Ah, that'd be crazy. This is nice. Oh, dude. Yeah, this is nice. Sweet. All right, I'm gonna get some cool shots of it. All right, there we go. Horn works, cruise works. Everything's good. Cruise works, we're good. Okay, that's it. Haha. Get some cinematic shots. I'm excited. Man, this thing is awesome. Shout out to High Flying for the steering wheel. Again, there's going to be a link in the description for this thing. It fits perfect. I'm going to get some nice cinematic shots of it so you guys can really see how nice this thing really looks. And the quality, everything, man. I'm really excited about how this came out. Oh, we can check the volume. Yep, volume's working. All right, cool. My bad. That's going to be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.